Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the power plan for your Eufy Anker 2K HD resolution doorbell. And first of all, you need to add the doorbell to the app, and we've shown you previously on how to do it, so be sure to check that video if you have any problem. Next is to click on these three dots next to your doorbell, open the settings, and right here enter Power Manager. And now you can adjust the power plan, so enter optimal battery life, balance surveillance, optimal surveillance, or customize recording. And you can press on that to adjust the power plan to the custom preferences. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.